Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to select a language on Duolingo using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Duolingo. And now, as you can see at the upper left corner of your screen, there is a flag, right? So just go ahead and click on that and click the plus sign. Now just go ahead and choose the language that you want. So I'm just gonna choose Arabic or Korean. So just click continue. Okay, so let's do that again. Right there. So now you can start your course learning Korean. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it's it, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.